So the next section we're going to set up is the shipping section. So we're going to click into there, let it load real quick. Awesome. So what I like to do on all my websites is offer free shipping, both domestic and to the rest of the world. The way that I structure the pricing of my products allows room for shipping cost. Of course, if you would prefer to charge shipping, you can do that, but it's pretty standard nowadays to offer free shipping to consumers online. So automatically, Shopify is going to set up shipping rates either based by location or based by the weight of the product. So we're going to go into domestic. We're going to hit edit. And what we're going to do is begin to remove the auto-populated weight-based rates here. So we're just going to hit out of these. And what we're going to want to do is set a price-based rate to offer free shipping. So right here where you see rate, you can click free shipping, boom. And you can name this whatever you want. I like to typically do something like free secured shipping, just to make it sound a little nicer. And so we're going to hit save, and we're going to go back to the shipping page and begin to edit the rest of the world as well. So you can also limit this. If you don't want to ship to all these countries, you can go in and edit the countries that are available for you. So if you're an e-commerce website that you just offer products in the US, you can totally get rid of all these countries. So we're going to go in here and we're going to look at the calculated rates that get auto-populated by Shopify, and we're going to get rid of those as well. And we're going to go to price-based rate, and we're going to add a rate. We're going to click the free shipping rate again and name it something fancy. And we're going to hit done and save. And we're done with this section, guys.